Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening voice control settings on your device. Now, make sure your account is signed in and microphone permission is granted, otherwise voice enrollment fails. Enter your current password or PIN when prompted, because the system needs to verify you first. Once done, choose the option to change voice password or voice match phrase. Speak clearly when the system requests a sample. This trains the model to recognize your unique voice signature. Next, you record the new voice password. Follow prompts and say the phrase exactly as shown. Use the same distance from the mic and maintain natural tone because consistency improves recognition. The system will ask for multiple takes. Pause briefly between attempts and correct any misreads. After recording, the device runs verification. If it fails, try re-recording with quieter background. If it passes, the new voice template is stored and linked to your account for future authentication. Finally, save the new voice password and immediately test it by issuing an unlock or secure command. If the device doesn't recognize you, retrain the voice model using quieter conditions and consistent phrasing. Make small adjustments to microphone sensitivity if available. If problems persist, temporarily revert to your PIN or enable biometrics and two-factor authentication so you maintain access. One key troubleshooting tip: always keep a non-voice fallback method configured because environmental changes can degrade voice recognition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.